When you learn to prepare coconut ice cream like this, you will never buy coconut ice cream on the street again. Today on your favorite fan page, Remedies and Recipes TV, I will show you step by step how to prepare it. Let's begin. To start, we will need 2 coconuts. For the first one, we extract its water. Remember that the coconut has 3 holes. Open the one that feels softer. Pour all the coconut water into a medium-sized container. Guys, you can drink the coconut water since we don't need it for this recipe. Also, this water is very beneficial for health. Now, without water, you should remove the outer layer. I will do this step off camera to avoid delays. After removing the top layer, it should look like this. Now, cut it into several parts. Then peel it. Remember to peel it well. We only need the white part. Guys, this coconut ice cream recipe is so delicious that it will make your lips smack. With the other coconut, do the same, remove the top part, but remember, don't peel it. I will explain later what we will do with that. Once everything is peeled, add it to a blender and blend well for about 2 minutes. We add 1 liter of whole milk. Once blended, pour everything into a medium-sized pot. Over medium heat, constantly stir until it turns into a liquid. Now, in a small bowl, dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a little water. Once dissolved, add it to the mixture. Stir until it integrates with our mixture. Now, add half a cup of powdered milk. Stir constantly until it dissolves completely. Ready, now add a can of condensed milk. This is equivalent to 397 grams. If you don't have condensed milk, you can add half a cup of white sugar. Stir until these ingredients are completely integrated. Continue stirring until it comes to a boil. When it starts boiling, keep stirring until it thickens a bit. Look, this is the point. When it has this semi-creamy texture, turn off the heat and let it cool. While it cools, grate the other peeled coconut. Remember when I told you not to peel the coconut at the beginning? Well, it's so we get those brown specks you see. This will make our ice cream look super presentable and delicious. Once grated, set it aside. When our mixture is completely cool, add it to a large bowl. Now, add the grated coconut. With the help of a wooden spoon or whatever you have, stir until it integrates completely with our mixture. Before I forget, tell me in the comments from which country you are watching this delicious recipe, so I can send you greetings in the next video. Ready, now, to give our ice cream a special touch, add a teaspoon of coconut essence. Remember, you can find this at any bakery in your city. Stir well to integrate this essence. Ready, now we will need ice cream molds. If you don't have them, you can use disposable cups like the ones I have. Fill them with our mixture. Repeat this process until you finish. Now, we will need popsicle sticks. Place these in the center of each cup. Ready, put all of this in the top part of the refrigerator for 5 hours or overnight. After that time, take it out and look, this is the result. Make a small cut at the top and unmold carefully. This process is easy, so do it with love. Ready, enjoy this delicious coconut ice cream. As always, in the comments I will leave you the list of the ingredients.